Layla, welcome back to my channel. Remember, these are my recipes, but you do you. So guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chilaquiles. They are my favorite food. So, I've been eating these for years and years, and they are delicious. I hope you guys like them. So, let's get into it. So, first today, we're gonna have to start off with some corn tortillas. You're gonna kind of have to get them like this size, sort of, because let me let you in on a little secret. These are actually not really shapeable, right? It doesn't matter because when you make them perfectly sized, they're actually not as crunchy as you like them. If you don't really like them crunchy, you don't have to do this. And if you have OCD, just do it your way. So what you're gonna have to do is get a tortilla, just a plain tortilla, right? Or two. And the drier the better, remember that. So you're gonna have to get it, just rip it into little pieces, you know? So keep in mind that if you make them too small, they're gonna burn, and if you make them too big, they're not gonna cook as well as you want them. Boil your tomatoes and then add some salt to add a little more flavor. So now that we've boiled the tomatoes, we're gonna plop them into here. So make sure you take the water, just let it drip before you do it, because then it'll get all over your platform or whatever you want to call it, whatever you're making it on. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the rest of these in. So just be careful not to burn yourself, because you might make that mistake. So, well, yeah. So now, I already put salt in these, I just sprinkled some salt in it. So now, you're gonna get some cumin, and basically what we're gonna do is put at least a tablespoon of cumin, so teaspoon of cumin. So if you have what I have, I have the little dots on top, you can put just 3 little shakes of it. So yeah, and now with you're gonna need some oregano, and you're gonna get a little bit in your hand. That's a strong smell. You'll need about a teaspoon of oregano. Now go ahead and sprinkle it in. Now we're gonna add just enough water to cover the tomatoes. Now blend your tomatoes. This is how they should look. Add more water if you need to. So now we're gonna take these over to my mom, and she's gonna help me fry these, and make sure your parent does this part. I literally had to leave the sound out for this because I just love the way it sizzles. Make sure not to overcrowd your tortillas while they're frying. Make sure to take them out quickly so they don't burn, so that they get this nice golden color. I love the way these look. I can't wait to have some. Make sure your pan is hot when you're adding your tomato sauce. Make sure to spread the sauce on evenly so that all the chips get some sauce on them. When all the chips have sauce, bring the heat down a notch or 2. This is how you want them to look. This is how it'll turn out when you're done. So you can always add some ingredients. You could always add some avocado and salsa, but right now I prefer to not. So I'm gonna grab some of my sour cream and just put it on top. Then I'm gonna get some cheese and just spread it all around. And if you want, you can put in all the beans. I do. And another thing you can add is a fried egg on top. And let's get into that. Here's the example with the egg, and I just like to spread the yolk on my chilaquiles. Ingredients will be listed in the description below. Hope you guys like this video and your food. I'm gonna go enjoy mine now. Like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications, and I will see you guys next time.